Nice one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put 2 teaspoons of oil in the front pan, okay? What I'm gonna make a lovely stir fry pasta with vegetables. Like a Christmas tips and a Christmas ideas for you guys. Can make this one for Christmas, okay? So we're gonna jump straight into it and do this very quickly, all right? So we got red onion, tomato, that's tomato. We got some spring onion, all right? And that looking good. Also, we got some mushroom, which I'm already fried off. Look at that color. Beautiful color. So we're gonna make a lovely vegetable pasta bit right here. Alright. Gonna put some chili. Some vegetable season. Some basil. We're gonna put some all-purpose seasoning in it. Bring that flavor. Nice. Alright. Just gonna put a pinch of jerk seasoning inside of it. And some paprika. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. You know what is this? Vegetable. We're gonna put a pasta sauce inside of it. Look at this. So lovely. A little bit of ketchup. Really nice. A little bit more all-purpose season. I'm gonna turn off the cooker. Pour that beautiful sauce on the pasta. See that? Give that a mix. Wow. Wow. Look at that, guys. So that look nice? Perfect. Vegetable pasta. for Christmas. All right, you can put this on the table. Really nice. I'll taste it. Lots of vegetable and thing in it. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. All right, so if you like the recipe, as I say, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Stay tuned in for more tips and more ideas from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye. Christmas recipe, as you can see, beautiful pasta, vegetable pasta. Stay tuned.